In this video, I'll be showing you one important thing, which is how to revamp the lace braided wig. That's the braided wig with lace in between, not the one with the wig cap, the one with the lace. You know, recently we've been seeing this very common around since last year and this year. We've been seeing braided wigs like this with the lace, complete lace. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to revamp, because many of us have it at home. Once we install it, we don't know what else to do about it, so that because when it gets messy, we always want to, like, maybe we should throw it away, or what else are we going to do about it aside from installation? How do we maintain it? So in this video, I'll teach you how to maintain, revamp, and treat your full lace braided wig right, in order for it to last and prevent it from getting damaged. Hi guys, it's your girl Lola Airline, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming on board. We love you always. And thank you for click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying tuned to us and watching our video. We love you also. And also, guys, leave a comment under this post and like this post and share with your family and friends so they can learn on how to revamp their full lace braided wig. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you'll be able to learn it. It's very important to take care of that braided wig you wear all the time. Thank you. The first thing we are going to do is wash it. First thing we are doing is washing it. So if you have a lace braided wig that you've installed and I have gum on it, you have to wash it up. So I'm going to be showing you how to go about that and how to wash your braided wig. It's not the regular way we revamp our normal wigs, our normal human hair. So this one has a delicate way you have to do it. So you have to stay tuned and understand better on how to do it. So to revamp our braided wig, we need our bowl where we'll be able to wash it, or if you're using a sink to wash it, anyway that is okay for you to wash is cool. So now the next thing we're going to be pouring is our hot water. We're going to use hot water, but we're going to mix it so it will be warm water. So I'm pouring the hot water. You can see it's hot. So I'm going to mix it with the ordinary water just to make it cold, so it won't be too hot for us to put our hand inside. So it's already, you have to add a little bit of water so it will be warm. So that's how you do it. Next thing, we are going to be adding our shampoo. So I'm going to be using my regular Tresem shampoo. If you see my video on Revamp, it's Tresem I always use, or I use Mamiya. That's what I've used so far, and it's working very fine for me. So I'm just going to add the shampoo here. Then shake it so that it will form later. Then I dip my braided wig inside. One thing about braided wig is that you don't have any business majorly with the hand, with the braids. I mean, it's the lace inside that you have business majorly in with. So now you have to be extra careful. You don't wash your lace like this. What you do is this way. So I'll apply shampoo here. Then I go this way. I add this or later. Then I go this way, all through to the end of the lace. I use my hand this way. See the way I'm just follow the way I'm doing it. That way you can get it better. You better watch than just listening to the explanation. It's better you watch it and be able to understand. So I'm going to apply it on every side of here with leather. And I just do this way. That way you are able to wash the hair without the lace ripping off, because the lace is very delicate. Apparently I've been using this braided wig for almost like 6 months, so it already needed to be revamped. So that's why I'm revamping it. So you'll be able to understand better. Just watch the way I'm doing it. So if it has, okay, I installed this previously, so there's a little bit of glue. So what I'm just going to basically do is this. Just use my toothbrush. So the toothbrush, then I will do this like this on the lace. So that way to come off, the glue or anything I used to install it there, it will come off. So there's no problem with the installed area. All you just need to just do this way I'm doing. That's all. Then you continue with this part till you are comfortable that it is clean. So I'm dipping it in very well, then using my hand this way. So this our elastic band. May I put the elastic band? Some of the braided wig you see, they don't come with the elastic band like this. They come with the normal elastic band that comes with wig. So I've removed this one apparently. So this is what I had to put inside because I wanted it to be firm. So you just wash it this way. You can wash that one this way, just a little bit, no pressure, no pressure. So now I'm already done with the washing aspect, and the soap is not so dirty. So that's why if it's very dirty, I'm going to wash it twice. But this one is not dirty. So the braids, you just put your hand inside this way. There's nothing serious you're doing with it. Because if you are saying you are going to be scrubbing it, you get the braids tangled. So I want to avoid that. That's what you are going to do. You are going to just do it this way. So I will drain the water this way. That's basically it. Then I will change the water to ordinary water now. So now, after pouring the soapy water in, so I'm going to rinse it now. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to rinse it. So I'll add my warm water as usual. So I'm pouring it on the lace. So in case there's any other jam or anything that is going to damage my hair, it's going to die from the treatment. So I will add my ordinary water to it to mix it together. So I'm just going to rinse it off so everything is neat. So the water is still soapy, so I'm going to rinse it again. I'm going to rinse the braids again. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add my conditioner. So this is a product of Revamp. So I'll add it to the hair. So I'm going to put it around the hair. So after applying to the hair, I'm going to be steaming the hair. So steaming, I'm going to use my steaming cap. I'm going to put the hair inside the Ziploc bag. I'll put inside the Ziploc bag, then use my steaming cap. If you've watched my other videos on Revamp, you'll see I use the hot water method to steam it. So this time around, I'm going to use the steaming cap so that you can learn different ways to steam your hairs. The steaming method, so the steaming cap method, also you can use it for your normal wigs, human hair or hair blends or any type of hair you're revamping. So I'm just going to put it inside. So I will tie them out. And this is my steaming cap. This is my steaming cap. So I'm just going to put it inside. So this is my wig inside the steaming cap. I'll plug my steaming cap to an extension. So our steaming cap is on. The red light is on. So it's working already. I'm going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes so that it can steam. So after steaming, I'm going to show you the end results. So this 15 minutes after I steamed the hair, so I'm going to remove it from the steaming process so you can see. So this is the hair after steaming it. So I'm just going to rinse out the conditioner from it. Here back here, then I'll rinse out. So this is warm water. I'll mix with ordinary water too, just to rinse out the conditioner from it. So I'm going to rinse again because it's still soapy. The conditioner is still in it, so I'm going to rinse again. So I'm rinsing again with warm hot water, then mixed with my ordinary water again as usual. So this is the wig after the deep conditioning process. So now, to make the ends smooth, we are going to do the hot water method. So you'll be seeing it in this video now. So now I'll be adding my hot water into a bowl. So now this is the hot water inside the bowl. Then I would dip the wig inside it, the ends, so that it can be smooth. You know the way we have our normal attachment when we braid our wigs. So to make the ends smooth, we put inside hot water. And I'll use my towel to mop it down. The way we do when we do our braids, we'll mop the ends down with the towel. So that's what I'm simply doing, so that the ends can be smooth when you are done, when it's dried. So now after doing that, I'm going to just use my mousse. So before I use my mousse, I want to explain something. If you are trying to achieve a coily bottom or create another style for your braided wig, this is the best time to do it. You twist, before the hot water method, you twist, then you, with your bendable rollers, then you put it inside the hot water to achieve the type of curls you want, or any type of rollers that works for the curls you're trying to achieve. So me, I'm trying to achieve a straight look like this. That's why I'm just going to apply my mousse after applying the hot water method. So I'm going to put my mousse. This is my mousse. My ultra set mousse, so I'm going to apply it on it. Just to make the ends hold very firmly, the braids, they hold so that they can hold firmly. That's why I'm putting the mousse. In maintaining it, you have to make the braid also firm. So this is it. After applying the mousse, this is the ends. You see the ends are smooth. That's what you're trying to achieve. So now, what I'll be doing next is this. I will use my holding spray. So holding spray, basically, you can use it when it's dried or before it's dried. So me, I just want to use it before it dries so that everything can dry together at once. So I'm going to apply my holding spray to make the braids very firm after applying the mousse. And also, it also gives a nice smell your braids very well, to make it smell well. So that's all about it. So after, I'll just show you the after results when it's dried. That's what I'm going to do. So see the finished look of the braided wig. You see the strands are equal. They are not getting tangled or looking messy. And the hair is looking neater and new, like a new braided wig. That's the way your braided wig should look after revamping it. So if you would like to put an hair cream, you can put it at this point. After it, since this is a dried state, you can put the hair cream at this point if you want to put your hair cream. See how the braided wig is looking very neat. See the lace, nothing happened to the lace, it's still very neat. That's the way your braided wig, the lace, full lace braided wig should look after it's been revamped. So if you're able to watch to this point, that means you've learned how to revamp your full lace braided wig. So try this at home with your braided wig if you want to revamp it yourself, or you can give your stylists, at least you have the knowledge of it. So thank you for staying to the end of this video, and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be able to learn and get more information about hairs and wig from us. We love you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.